Today, we'll slowly cook pork belly, prepare fresh vegetables, stir-fry them, sear the meat until it's perfectly crispy, and finish everything with an incredibly rich, flavorful sauce. Today, we're making incredibly tender, Asian-style pork belly, served with vegetable noodles and a rich, savory sauce that brings every flavor together perfectly. For this dish, we'll need the following ingredients. Let's start with the foundation of the dish by placing the whole pork belly into a large pot. Pour in the soy sauce and vinegar to build a rich, savory flavor. Add the spices. Add the onion skins to give the pork a beautiful, rich color. Add 1 whole head of crushed garlic. Peel the fresh ginger. Finely chop the ginger. Add the chopped ginger to the pork. Season the pork with salt and black pepper. Pour in enough water to completely cover the pork. Simmer over low heat for 1.5 to 2 hours until the pork belly is perfectly tender. While the pork is cooking, peel the carrot. Peel the zucchini. Remove the seeds from the bell pepper. Remove the seeds from the chili pepper. Cut the carrot into thin julienne strips. Slice the zucchini into thin strips. Slice the bell pepper into thin strips. Roughly chop the green onions. Finely chop the chili pepper. Sauté the vegetables in a preheated skillet for 5 to 7 minutes. Season the vegetables with salt and freshly ground black pepper. carefully remove the cooked pork belly from the pot. Cut the pork belly in half. Sear the pork belly on all sides until beautifully golden and crispy. Strain the cooking broth. Simmer the broth over low heat until it reduces and becomes more concentrated. Stir the cornstarch into the broth. Stir continuously until the sauce becomes smooth and thick. Slice the pork belly into serving-size pieces. Serve with vegetable noodles and the rich sauce. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.